So this is how to connect your Flutterwave to your Systeme.io. So the simple thing is you need to have a Flutterwave account and a Systeme.io account. If you do that, you come to Systeme.io, you come to your settings, you come to payment gateways, and this is where you can find different gateways. So once you connect Flutterwave, so you click on connect Flutterwave. So you want to go to Flutterwave now and you want to get your public key, your secret key, and your API encryption. So if you come to Flutterwave, what you want to do is you also want to come to your settings and you see where we have API keys. So you click on the API keys and you see your keys here. All right. So you see your keys. So what we want to do now is we want to copy the first key, which is a public key. Then you want to come back here. So put the public key here. And then you come back again, you copy the secret key. So you want to put the secret key right here. And then you want to copy the last one, which would be the encryption key. So you copy it, you come back to Systeme.io, you put it and you click on save. So it has been saved, but you are not done. So what you want to do is you want to copy this web URL here. So you want to copy the both of them and the web secret key. So if you copy this one, you want to come back to Systeme Flutterwave. You now come here where we have webhooks. You click on webhooks, and this is where you want to change your webhooks. So the first one from Systeme.io, that's the web URL. So you copy it, come back to Flutterwave, you put it here. This is your web URL. And then the second one, which is the web secret key. So this is basically the hash. So you come back here, you put it right here. So you paste it right here, and then you click on save. So the settings has been updated, and this is how you can connect your Systeme.io to your Flutterwave account. So once it's done, you'll be ready to start receiving payment with your Flutterwave account. This is the final thing you need to do. Here where we have the webhook preferences, you want to uncheck all these, check all these on, enable webhook retries, enable webhook for failed transaction. You can also enable this one, all right, and all of them. Just enable all these settings so that it will help transactions to process seamlessly. So this is basically how you can connect your Systeme.io to your Flutterwave.com.